What's up, y'all? AJ Simmons here. And I decided I wanted to bring on the lovely, the talented, the beautiful, my wife, Ms. Regina. So we're going to bring her on the channel to, trying to help me talk business, give a different perspective of business from the co-owner and spouse perspective. So I figured I'd welcome her to the channel with a game. Nice little game. What is this game called again?
Who's more likely?
More likely to, yeah. So we're going to do this, ask a few questions, say who's more likely to do what. So I'm going to let her take it over, ask some questions, and we're going to jump right into it.
First, hey everybody. Okay, now let's start with these questions. Okay, so who's more likely to fire an employee?
Don't look at mine. Don't look at what I'm about to pick.
What? Okay.
Who you pick?
I picked AJ.
Oh, okay. Making sure. Because
Bye.
everybody thinks just because you meaner than me, that I won't handle business. I'm definitely going to be the one to fire.
Yeah, you do that. I don't want to fire nobody.
Okay.
Not yet. Who's more likely to forget to lock the door to a building after cleaning? We all know who this is. Bam. Him right there. AJ.
Yeah. I've done it plenty of times. I checked it like 3 times and somehow something happened. I don't know what happened, but yeah, I done it.
Your mind be all over the place. Who's more likely to lose their temper with a customer?
Oh, that's the easy one. Oh, I ain't supposed to look, see what you do. Don't look at mine. Go ahead, flip it around.
Who's more likely to lose their temper with a customer?
Today.
Okay, I'm gonna say me. But I have not lost my temper with a customer.
It's been close.
It's been close, yeah, it's been close, but no, not yet. Who is more likely to go buy the fanciest new equipment and supplies for the business? Okay.
Yeah, because you gonna watch the budget and I'm
Right.
gonna be like, no, they need the best of the best.
Right.
But I'm about to check because it looked like the camera stopped. So who's more likely to hire friends or family?
Yep.
Yeah.
AJ. I mean, I'm all for hiring friends and family, but I just honestly think like it just don't work as far as, bringing your family, and they maybe sometimes probably feel like they can get passes and stuff like that. I just don't think that mix.
And they do. My logic is like, if I'm gonna help anybody that need a job, I'm finna go to the people that I know first, that I actually love and know firsthand. And yeah, it do backfire and can backfire. Chances are higher, but my view is if they don't respect it and respect me as the boss like they supposed to, then it's my fault. I just gotta change the way I'm carrying it with them. That's all.
Right. And I do like that about you though. Like you're so caring, you'll hire family and friends. But
what we got? Who's more likely to get scammed on a business course or investment opportunity?
Oh.
I almost looked at you. What you put?
Me. Oh my God.
Because think about it. How many times have you done it?
Right, that's true.
I done that shit. I was with every MLM. I done bought a few courses that, not that the courses was horrible, but they didn't bring enough value to me that I thought they would. So I definitely think me. I should know better. But
trial and error.
Yeah, I definitely do it.
Still.
So, yeah. What else you got? Who is more likely to invest in Disney stock over Amazon stock? What you put?
I put me.
Actually, so I was kind of flexing because I came up with that question. That's one of the questions I came up with. I was kind of flexing because I wanted to brag to them and tell them that I bought you Disney stock for, what was it, Mother's Day?
Mother's Day.
Right. So, but after I did it, I was like, damn, why the fuck I ain't just get Amazon? Like,
Oh my God.
yeah. So, so that's why I said I'm more likely to. But going back and thinking about it, I probably should have got Amazon. I don't know though. They both strong companies. It
Right.
probably don't matter.
I
no
think
way,
they're
but-
both strong.
But yeah, so that's where I got that answer from. All right, what else we got? Who's more likely to win a game of Monopoly?
Well, we both competitive, so.
Let's see what we got. Let me see.
That's right. Me.
Because I would let her win. That's why.
No.
I be trying to get her clues
No.
while we playing. She be thinking, you trying to
The
trick
game
me.
is never gonna end.
I'm gonna buy this property. I don't trust you.
All the property.
I'm trying to help. All right, what up? Who's more likely to be happy all the time? We flipping cards.
Whatever. Okay. I said AJ. Yes. He's just always happy. Well, he tried to be for the most,
Try to
and
be.
that's just something I just think that it's a work in progress with me.
Right. All right. Who's more likely to be organized?
Oh, we know this.
Yeah. I definitely put this one.
Hmm?
Huh?
Yeah. Me.
Yeah.
Let's
Okay.
get organized.
Okay. All right. You go ahead and get if you want them in there. Number 11.
Who's more likely to read the most books?
Mm. That's a tough one there. That's a tough one.
I would say, yeah, AJ, but it's kind of tricky because
Yeah.
it's not necessarily a lot of books, but it's just like audio
Right.
type learning things
That's
that
what I
we
was gonna say.
normally gravitate to read and stuff like that.
Yeah, like you probably actually take the time out to read.
Right.
I'm listening to books now.
Right.
Stop all day long. So yeah, audio books count. Right.
Who's more likely to gain new accounts by going door to door?
See, we came up with these questions ourselves, right? I did have, she did have, and I see what she's trying to do. She's trying to win.
Me.
Every account that we
I'm
got,
just good at it.
not everyone. I got one of them. I got one. Oh, you said door to door. That was the key, though.
Right.
Yeah, that was the key. So you got those.
I'm just good at it,
Mm-hmm.
Okay, who's more likely to do the final walkthrough after cleaning the account?
That's an easy one.
That's just a role AJ just did. He
Yeah.
just make sure he check out the account once he's
Extra
done.
mile. We gonna
Right.
make sure. You can go sit in the car if you want to, but I'm finna go back and check some
Right,
shit.
and that pays off in the long run. So, who is more likely to communicate directly with the point of contact? This question is kind of tricky, I think. I'm gonna do both. Both of us.
Cause see, you probably thinking about that one big account.
What you put? Yeah.
I do all the accounts. No, well,
No, it's not
actually,
one big
you right.
account. It's
you
a
right.
couple of
Yeah,
accounts
you
where
right. It was
I-
done.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah.
And then like you like to
Especially
shoot.
like when I leave too, like I'm going out of town, or
Right.
something, you gotta hold it down.
Yeah,
That's
I say
true.
both of us. So
Yeah, alright.
we both take that road.
Alright.
Stay in communication with your point of contact.
Right. Plus, damn, I like to hide too. Like I get on y'all about it. Don't be trying to hide and only go in night and hide. No, you out like you go in there and do what you got to do and face them. I try to sneak
Right.
past them.
You'll shoot. Quick email. Who's more likely to play music or motivational videos while cleaning?
Most So I could just play either one while playing?
Right.
Okay. Because I'm going to play both.
Right.
Yeah. You just going to go in there and handle business.
Right.
You don't need no extra motivation. You just want to get the hell out of there.
Right.
So,
You be putting us in the vibe though with the motivational videos and music.
a couple more left.
Who's more likely to set the alarm off at the account?
Like, make it go off.
Right. Okay, I'm gonna go with it.
What?
No, not me.
You call me AJ.
Okay, yeah, I was
You said
scared.
that
It was
long.
one scare.
And how many times I do it?
Yeah, but you be putting in the code, and sometimes, you be setting it off,
I don't know.
or you don't leave out fast enough, and it goes off.
And I go back and turn it off, turn it back on. What you mean?
Okay.
Hopefully we still record.
We got 3 more.
Alright.
Who's more likely to hire new employees? Yep, you do the hiring and firing.
I thought you were trying to be tricky with it because you train them, but I hire them.
Right.
Okay, and making sure.
Yeah, you do the hire and fire. Who's more likely to be strict on employees? Why are you laughing?
Because we already know who lost their temper with the customer.
No.
So.
Alright, I'm not gonna lie. I'm more strict than AJ is. I just think so highly of the business, and I want the employees to take it as serious as I do.
Yeah.
Don't we all? That's important.
What else we got?
Okay, this is the last one. AJ kind of gave y'all the answer already. Who's more likely to train the employees? That's a lot.
Nah, because still though. Because with this new business,
Right.
I come up with all the little training videos, and I got a whole module now. Know what I mean?
Right.
But, alright, fine. You originally.
I got in there and showed them the ropes and of how we do things. But that's another one could be tricky. Both of us kind of do that.
So, that's it.
This was fun. Finally getting up here.
Yeah,
doing
I've been
videos
trying to
and
get you
stuff.
to do a video with me since like forever.
Right.
And they need to hear from you sometime and hear your thoughts and stuff. So,
Okay.
but anyway, thank y'all for watching, subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. If y'all like this video and y'all want us to do more stuff like this or more videos just with her talking, like the same way I talk, I just hop up here, go live sometime. Maybe we can talk her and doing that here and there. You know what I mean? But either way, thank y'all for watching. If you need to start your cleaning business, grow your cleaning business, scale your cleaning business, go to cleanbiznetwork.com. AJ Simmons, Regina Simmons, signing off. Thank y'all.
Bye.